Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect a client and server using Windows 10 as the client and Windows 2016 as the server. If you don't currently have these installed, you can check out my previous video about setting up a virtual machine. That will help. Okay, before we get started, there's a little setting change that we need to make. So what you want to do is go back to our VirtualBox homepage. I'm going to do it for my server, so I select server. I'm going to select settings. I'm going to go down to network, change my attached to host only adapter, and in my advanced settings, I'm going to change my phone's host mode to allow all, select OK. Now what you want to do is do the same for the client. If your server and client is currently running, please restart it. Now let's begin configuring our network. So first we want to go to our 2016, which is our server. We're going to head over to we're going to select our network icon, and we're going to select network settings. We're going to select change adapter sharing options. Change advanced sharing options. And we're going to make sure that for all of these, our settings are turned on except for our password. So in private, we're going to make sure that everything is turned on, which it is. Turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing. For guest or public, we're going to make sure that those are also turned on, which they are. And for all networks, we're going to ensure that the public folder sharing is turned on, but the password protected sharing is turned off. I'm going to select save changes. I'm going to press cancel because I already have those changes made. Then we're going to select change adapter options. We're going to right click and we're going to go to properties. We're going to look for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. We're going to select properties. Now, this is an important part, so please pay attention. We're going to change our IP address. So the IP address that we're going to use is 192.168.0.1. Our subnet mask should automatically come up. You do not have to put in this, but in case it does not come up, this is what you should have. You should have 255.255.255.0. Now for our preferred DNS server, we want to have 127.0.0.1. We're going to select OK. Select close. You can close off all of these as well. Now what we want to do is open up our task manager. So we're going to right click on our taskbar right here, select task manager. I'm going to go to my services. I'm just going to click on anyone. If you click on anyone, I'm going to right click, then open services. Now we're going to have to look for a couple of them, right? The first one we're going to look for is called our DNS client. Let's scroll on a little bit. DNS client right here. Click on it, right click, select properties. I'm going to ensure that our startup type is set to automatic. You can click apply. I already have it applied, so I'm going to click OK. The next one we're going to look for is function discovery provider. Let's scroll down. We have function discovery provider host. We're going to right click, properties. We're going to ensure that our startup type is set to automatic. Apply. Excuse me. I'm just going to select OK because I already have it. And we're also going to do the same for function discovery resource publication. Right click, properties, startup type automatic, select apply and then select OK. Next we're going to look for SSDP. Let's go on to SSDP discovery. Right click, properties, automatic, click apply and we're just going to click OK. Then we're going to look for UPN. Let's go down to UPnP device host. Right click, properties, automatic, OK. Okay, now we're going to open up our control prompt, so you can close off all of these. Let's open our command prompt. My bad, I said control prompt before, I meant command prompt. Now let's head over to our client. We're basically going to do the same process. The only difference is the address. So we're going to click on our network icon. We're going to select network and internet settings. We're going to scroll down. Let's scroll down to network and sharing center. We're going to select change advanced sharing settings. And we're just going to ensure, like before, that everything is turned on. Our network discovery is on, our file and printer sharing is on, that our network discovery in Guest Public is turned on, and our file and printer sharing in Guest Public is turned on. In all networks, we're going to show that our public folder sharing is on, mainstream is on, file sharing connections is on, except for password protected sharing that can be off. You select save changes. I'm going to press cancel because I already have my changes here. Okay. We're going to head over to change adapter options. My bad, change adapter options. Right click, go into properties. We're going to look for Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. We're going to select that. We're going to select properties. Okay, so this is where it's going to be a little bit different. There's a tiniest bit difference, right? So in our IP address, before we use 192.168.0.1, in this case, for the client, the IP address that we're going to use is 192.168.0.2. Right? Our subnet mask should automatically be implemented. If not, it should be 255.255.255.0. In our default gateway, we're going to enter our IP address for our server, which is 192.168.0.1. That is our default gateway. Now, in our preferred DNS server, we are going to enter 192.168.0.1. We can select OK, select close, close it off, close it off. Now we have to open our task manager. We're going to right click on our taskbar, select task manager. We're going to select services. You can click anywhere you like, then right click, open services. And just like before, we're going to look for DNS client. We're going to right click, properties, ensure that the startup type is set to automatic. Click apply, and then I will click OK since I already have it applied. We're going to look for function discovery provider host. Right click, properties, startup type automatic, apply. I'm just going to select OK as I already have mine applied. I'm going to select function discovery resource publication. Right click, properties, startup type automatic, apply. I'm just going to select OK because I already have mine. Let's scroll down to S. Right. SSDP discovery. Right click, properties, startup type automatic, apply. I'm just going to select OK. And lastly, we're going to go down to U to look for UPnP device host. Right click, properties, automatic. Make sure our startup type is automatic. You click apply. I'm just going to select OK. We can close this off. And let's open our prompt, our command prompt. Now you should be able to see the screen properly. So in our server, we're going to type ping. We would like to ping our client. So in our server, we're going to type ping 192.168.0.2. You can see that it is replying. There were no packets lost, therefore the connection between the server and the client is successful. Now, we would also like to test the connection between the server and itself, always need to talk to ourselves sometimes just for the reassurance to make sure that our connection is good. You know what I mean? So so let's just ping ourselves and see if it works. Right? We're gonna ping the client. Okay? I'm gonna ping 127.0.0.1. Let's enter. The server is replying to itself. There is no packets lost. Therefore, as you can see from the line under ping statistics, my bad. From the line after ping statistics, we have packets sent 4, received 4, lost 0. Therefore, the server is connected to itself and it is connected to the client successfully. Now, let's head over to the client to see if we get the same results. The client, we're going to type ping 127.0.0.1. It is pinging, it is replying. Let's see, packet sent is 4, received is 4, lost is 0. Therefore, it is the client and the server is successfully connected. Now, let's do the same thing that we did with the server. Let's let the client ping itself to see if the connection to itself is good. Type ping 192.168.0.2, and as you can see, no packets were lost, therefore it was successful. Now, if we were to ping 192.168.0.1, what do you think will happen? Let's try. Ping 192.168.0.1. See, it is replying. As you can see, packet sent were 4, received were 4, lost was 0. Therefore, we can say that you have successfully established a connection with your client and your server. Yay, you did it. Okay. Hope this video helped you. If it did, remember to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching.